We are pleased to show you the 2016 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, cruise control, power brakes, fog lights, power windows, power door locks, compass, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.